In the late 70s, an era of disco and bell-bottoms, a technological revolution quietly began. It started with a brick-like device, the Dynatac 8000X, the world's first mobile phone. Created by Motorola, it was a far cry from the sleek, pocket-sized devices we know today. Weighing in at a hefty 2 pounds and boasting a price tag of nearly $4,000, it was a luxury few could afford. As we entered the 80s, mobile technology took strides. Nokia, a name synonymous with durability and reliability, introduced the Mobira Senator. It was a car phone, not exactly mobile in the way we understand it today. But it was a start, a glimpse into a future where communication would not be tethered by wires. The 90s saw the rise of the brick phones. Nokia's 5110, with its interchangeable covers and the addictive game Snake, was a hit. It was during this period that mobile phones began to shrink in size and price, becoming more accessible to the masses. Turn of the millennium brought a wave of innovation. Mobile phones were no longer just for calls and messages. They became a medium for music, photos, and even internet browsing. The Nokia 3310, Sony Ericsson T68, and BlackBerry 6210, they all played a part in this revolution. But in 2007, the mobile phone industry witnessed a paradigm shift. On January 9th, Apple Inc., a company known for its computers and iPods, announced the iPhone. It was a groundbreaking device that combined a mobile phone, an iPod, and an internet communication device in one. The first iPhone had a 3.5-inch display, up to 16 gigabytes of storage, and a 2-megapixel camera. It introduced the concept of a touchscreen interface, doing away with physical keyboards that were prevalent at the time. It also brought forth the concept of an app, short for application, changing the way we interact with our phones. To summarize, the journey of mobile phones from the Dynatac 8000X to the first iPhone was a long one, marked by innovation and changes in design, functionality, and affordability. The introduction of the iPhone marked the beginning of the smartphone era, setting new standards for mobile technology. It was more than just a phone. It was a revolution that transformed the way we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves.